Hi guys, Augusto here from Augusto Vlogs, and we are here in Cozumel, and I'm going to show you my first impression of the things that I see around here.
Whoever's there, hi.
Hello, how are you?
Where are you visiting us from?
I'm from Brazil.
No way, Brazil. That's so awesome. Wow, welcome.
Why awesome?
It's cool. I love your country, you know?
Oh, okay.
Of course, come to see us next time. Where in Brazil you're from? Which
Rio.
Part? Rio de Janeiro. Fantastic. I'm going in February for the carnival.
The country is beautiful too.
Thank you. I'm not from here though. I'm from Switzerland. Let me get some sanitizer.
So guys, I'm here already in Cozumel, and I found Peter. Very nice. And he's going to give me a little skin treatment over here for my eyes to get a little bit younger over here.
For about 30 to 40 seconds. And also you're gonna still feel a little bit of lighting and cooling feeling. So it's
So do you like to be here?
I love it. I come once a year for about 10 to 15 days. You know, give me the training, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because right now back in Switzerland it's cold, so it's snowing, so it's better to be here a little bit.
Yeah, nice change.
Yeah, sure.
We had a group on the ship last night. They spoke English really well, at least the man who was the leading singer from Mexico. So here, people speak English a lot.
Most people get fluent, specifically this part of Mexico. I believe like it's a very high religious in English due to the the tourism industry. So yeah, a lot of visitors they're coming from abroad, mainly from North America, Canadians, and Americans. So yeah, English is very widespread here. So how many languages do you speak yourself? So you have Portuguese, English, Spanish, you understand very well.
A little French and German.
Amazing. Wow, well done.
I like it, yeah.
What languages?
You carry 3 at least, you.
I was
for
born,
Brook 4.
yeah, I was born with 3 and I speak 6 right now. So yeah, it's pretty common, because we are a multilingual country, so we have 4 official languages. So it's really easy to,
So
learn
it's
languages.
Spanish and what else?
I do speak English, French, German, Italian, Spanish, and Russian as well.
Ah, okay.
I spent time working in Moscow, but that was like ages ago, before the crazy time and everything. So I used to do a lot of trainings there. So eventually I learned also Russian there.
So you forget a little bit?
Yeah, a little.
So guys, I finished my beauty treatment. Look over here. Looks nice. I love it. Peter did a good job. Everybody, is just walking around, but then when they get over here, they get a little treatment. So guys, I finished my treatment over there with Peter. Was really good. Can you see the difference over here? Does it look better than before? So basically here it is a shopping mall for the people who come on the cruises. The port is right there in front of us. Today is a little bit windy and wet. I don't have any pesos here. Não tenho nenhum peso aqui comigo. Nem peso, nem nada, nem dólar. Estou jodido. Oh, that smells really good. All the beautiful leather stuff. Nice, beautiful. Nosotros llegamos aquí ayer y mucha lluvia. ¿En Cozumel siempre mucha lluvia o no?
Por lo regular siempre está caluroso.
Ah, ok. ¿Y qué pasó? ¿Ayer mucha lluvia, hoy mucha lluvia?
Ayer estaba caluroso.
¿Pero lluvia o no? Ah, ok. Entonces, ¿cómo te llamas?
Edgar.
Edgar. ¿Eres de dónde? ¿De México?
Sí, mexicano.
Mexicano. Yo soy brasileño. Yo pensaba que tú eras policía. Hi guys, I'm here with my friend Jimmy, and he's going to tell us a little bit of the advantages of being here in Mexico.
The price is very low. The way standard living is you can find places from $100 up.
Very nice. And what is the best area to live in Mexico over here for the tourists?
Well, for the tourist spots, Cancun, Cozumel, Acapulco,
Okay.
how do you call it, Mazatlan, Vallarta. Those are the
very
main
good.
tourist towns. Los Cabos. Yes.
And what is your favorite area?
My favorite area is Cozumel.
Yes. And
Also, Playa is nice. Playa. But you know Playa?
Playa del Carmen.
Yeah.
Were you born here in Cozumel?
No, Mexico City.
Oh, Mexico City. Oh,
Mexico City has 30 million people only in the downtown.
okay.
It's 40 to 60 million people in Mexico City.
Okay.
I love Mexico.
What is the name of the volcano in Mexico City?
Goyo.
Goyo.
And he sometimes when he gives pulsations, the earthquake moves the whole city.
Yes, maybe what, 2 years ago, 3 years ago?
There's been many important ones.
Okay.
Many earthquakes really bad. Also the fire de San Andres.
I never been to Mexico City, but one day I want to go. Yeah. I want to
It's
go.
like New York, but only in Mexico. A lot of big, tall buildings,
Yes.
lots of museums.
Nice.
It's a touristic area. It's very nice. They have a zoo. They have they have mechanical games around the zoo.
Okay. Zoo, what is that?
The zoo where they have all the animals.
Ah, the zoo.
have
The zoo.
panthers.
Okay.
They have panthers there.
Oh, okay. The zoo.
Or elephants, camels,
Ah, okay.
giraffe,
Yeah.
all kinds of animals in the zoo.
African animals.
African animals, yeah. There are different kinds. They have deer, they have llamas.
Poner no video.
Okay.
Alright, guys. Look, this Jimmy over here. He likes the Dominican money, so I gave him 100 pesos so he can collect it. And also over there, our friend over there. Look how nice.
Edgardo. Edgardo is his name. Edgar.
Oh, Edgar, yeah. Ele habló, sí, Edgar.
Está bonito, está diferente.
Necesita hacer todo. Guys, look over here. We have this thing over here. I never saw this before. Okay, I asked Edgar. Okay, and he told me this is a rifleira. That's to put your gun inside your rifle. Look how cool that is. Oh, you have more over there. Nice, very nice.
Yeah.
What do you call that? Sombrero?
Sombrero,
Beautiful.
Charro.
Charro.
Charro, sombrero.
Ah, okay. What do you sell?
Ice pops. Take a look.
Ice pop.
Ice pops, yeah. I got coconut, mango, strawberry, watermelon, pineapple, passion fruit, cookies and cream, rainbow, and tequila.
Oh.
Yeah, all the flavors are just fruit. No
You knew that if you said tequila, people are going to give a nice smile, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Beautiful. But you know, I'm with the ship over here. I have yes. I have no pesos with me today.
All right.
Do you take Dominican money? No, right?
Yeah, I'll take whatever.
No.
Money, even with the-
No, money from another country, Dominican.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How much is your thing?
$4.
$4. Okay, let me see if I have that.
I know how much.
What is your name?
Alejandro.
Guys, I'm here with Alejandro. Okay, I got a popsicle.
Passion fruit. All these flavors are just made with real fruit, no sugar, no colorants, just fruit.
What about
Can I
the?
take a picture?
Very good. Wow. That's right. You don't put sugar here.
No.
But what about the water?
Water is spring water. We don't use like filtered water because calling it pure water is like it's not very good. We don't take we don't use water from we don't drink water from the tap.
Uh-huh.
We use like purified water.
Is this?
Purified.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
purified.
so-
The spring water
Okay.
from the bottle.
Thank you, Alejandro. Now, Fruit is bad. I think fruit is bad. Tequila popsicle.
Oye, pero llegó sabroso el chocolate, ¿no? Lo malo que no invitan. Lo malo que no invitan. Y bueno, este iba siguiendo para allá.
Guys, although the day is wet, today it's raining a little bit, you know, but I had such a good time over here so far. So guys, I'm ending over here my little walk, okay, on this beautiful port of Cozumel. It's just very nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's try to find the way back to the ship. Just so nice. Nice people.